Hey there guys, Zach here from WinBeta and welcome back to another Windows 8.1 video. Today we're taking a look at another leak for Windows 8.1. This is Windows 8.1 build 9369. This is a 64-bit build and does include a bunch of new features. Not that many, but a couple of noteworthy features that we're going to walk through right now. The first one is that you will see this little sort of orb down in the corner here. That is the apps list, so now you can access the app list with a mouse. That does disappear if you're using a touchscreen as I am here, but if you move the mouse, it appears and you can click on it to access the app list. The next new feature is that you can sort by most used now. So as you can see, my most used app is Internet Explorer, followed by File Explorer, and you can see your moderately used and least used apps. You can even see your never used app. You can also search for apps. There's a search box up here, so if I search for store, the store will come up. Also, if you search on the start screen, it doesn't take you to the search results, it just opens the charm. Pressing enter will take you to the search results. On the desktop, not a lot new here, there's just the new build string. And in system settings, that's not what I want, in system settings, system properties even, there's a new company apps option. I have no idea what this does. My company isn't using Windows 8.1 yet, so I can't use that feature. Moving on, there's a bunch of new settings in the PC settings app. I'm just going to quickly jump through these now because I haven't got a lot of time. There's most of the things here. The actual PC settings app in this build is a lot cleaner and better, but compared to the older build. So there's lots and lots of syncing options now. You can sync passwords, you can sync start screen, you can sync loads of Windows settings like the File Explorer, mouse, you can sync narrator, browser settings, the lot. SkyDrive, you can back up to SkyDrive, you can do this in the old build anyway. Privacy, there's a bunch of new privacy settings, custom peripherals isn't working right now. Devices, you can change your PC name, you can change your device settings, you can check out radio devices, you can add and remove devices from PC settings, and you can change autoplay settings. Network, you can choose your network and set up proxy settings and stuff. Apps, you can just see change notifications and just check app sizes and delete history, which you can do in actual Windows 8, and change defaults. Ease of access, a bunch of new ease of access settings. You can now turn magnify on and off, turn high contrast on and off, loads of options, change mouse size and stuff. Pretty cool. Time and language, you can change the language and time from PC settings now, and typing, you can change on-screen keyboard settings and normal typing settings, so you can turn off and on highlight misspelled words and stuff. Update and recovery. Update is under construction. Recovery is just refreshing and removing everything from Windows. Activate is under construction. And that's about it for the PC settings. Also, the search box looks a bit nicer, but it still doesn't work. Devices, you can now project. Oh, well, no, you can't. You can actually use wireless device. You can project to wireless screens now, but I can't find that setting. The SkyDrive app has been mixed with the Files app. As you see here, SkyDrive is baked in, but this is the Metro version of File Explorer for the desktop. It's not very good right now, but it's getting there. I'm sure it'll be better by the time the beta is released later this year. Also, there's a new app open animation. I don't know if you can see that. It doesn't sort of flip no more. It sort of just fades and widens. That's the best way to describe it in my eyes. So yeah, that's another new feature. And multitasking has also received an update. So there's two apps here. If we go to the start screen and open a third app, it will ask you where you want to put the app. So if I want it there, it can go there. If I want it there, it can go there. But I can also, maybe I can't. Maybe can we? Okay, no, we can't. If you're using a high resolution monitor, you can actually pin more than two. But as you can see there, it is allowing you to choose where you want to put the app instead of just putting it on the left hand side or the right hand side. So yeah, that's about it for the new build of Windows 8.1. Everything else is practically the same. There's not many new things in this build, apart from it being 64-bit. I should show you WinVer because everybody loves WinVer. WinVer. And there's WinVer for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.